Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard channel. This time we're taking you out to the Drive After 5 event in St. Mary's, Georgia at the Old Town Waterfront. Um, the event was a little different, a little hard to find because the people that were organizing one part of the event said it was going to be in one place and then it wasn't there. So you had to drive around and hunt it. So we did eventually find it, so we did eventually get to take pictures and video of the event. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. This is the grand tour. We're going to take you around, talk about some of the cars that are out there. There were some awesome cars out there. Don't get me wrong. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we're going to take you out on a little bit of a grand tour of this Drive After 5 event down St. Mary's. Got a nice little red Austin Healey there. You don't see those very often at all anymore. I think one of my favorites is this hot rod up here, the Ford Roadster. I like the paintwork on the side. It's got the old 90s style paintwork. It just looks kind of cool. It's a 1932 Ford Roadster. They got a sign out front of it. Nice looking GTX. I like this T-Bird here, this baby blue T-Bird. Next to a red newer T-Bird. Old MG. Old Ford Model A. I like this old C10 too.
Why don't you drive them?
Sorry.
Got a little bit of everything out here. New, old, all kind of stuff. A couple of Subarus, Mitsubishi. Now this red one up here, I've seen it before and I've taken a video of it before. I finally got to look at it. It's a Studebaker. Didn't know it was a Studebaker. I thought it was a Thunderbird or something. Nice old Jeep, old Toyota Land Cruiser. James Reese would be all over that. Old GTO. Another Studebaker. This white one's a Studebaker Commander, I think they said on it. This old Chevy panel van's for sale. What you want for it? Ooh, $35K. A little steep. But it's nice. I think it's even got the wood paneling in the back too. Anyway, that's going to about wrap this grand tour up. At least the last two BMWs here. So, that's all for today. So, we'll see you on the next one. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the live Drive After 5 event in St. Mary's, Georgia at the Old Town Waterfront. It was a good event. It was nice. It was on a Friday evening. It wasn't super hot. There was a nice breeze, so it was, it wasn't a miserable afternoon like some afternoons have been during the summer. We're headed into the fall. You can tell the fall's coming. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. Any help you could be on that would be great. Share it around. Share it to your car people, your non-car people. Say, hey, this guy's going out to the car shows that you might miss. Watch his videos so you can see what was out at the car show. And you get the virtual car show experience without having to go to the car show and get sweaty and nasty and whatever. Anyway, so, like I say on every video, cap it off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.